Where do good stock ideas come from? And how do you make sure you never miss the moment on one? That's this video. Daily picks and alerts that watch the market so you don't have to.
Quick recap. The watch list is home base. Every stock you care about, live prices, one tap to any chart. But a watch list is only as good as what's on it. So where do the ideas come from?
Tap Daily Picks. Every day, PremiChart screens the market and puts a short list of interesting setups right next to your own list. Names showing unusual moves, indicator signals, or stretched readings worth a look. Open one and you're on its chart with the full toolkit. Like what you see? One tap on the star adds it to your watch list, and now it's yours to track. That's the daily rhythm. Check the picks, chart the interesting ones, keep the best.
Now the part that saves you from staring at screens. Say you'd buy this stock, but only if it pulls back to your price. Tap the $ alert button, set the level, done. The moment price crosses your line, your phone tells you. You set the trap once, and the app does the waiting. Price levels aren't the only trigger. The notify bell subscribes this symbol to signal alerts. When herd or the other indicators fire a buy or sell on a stock you follow, that lands on your phone too. Herd reading the crowd, alerts reading herd. You stay hands-off until something is actually worth your attention.
Some of what you just saw is part of Premium, Herd's historical context on every symbol, the future price estimate, portfolio projection, and more. There's a 7-day free trial, so you can try all of it before paying a cent. So, daily picks feed the list, alerts watch the list, and you only show up when it matters. PremiChart is free on the App Store, link below. Tomorrow's video, the premium features, one by one.